Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my February premium box from BoxyCharm. Yay, it came a little bit earlier this month, so I was so excited when I arrived home today to find it on my front porch. So we're going to get right into it. The theme for this month's box is Treat Your Heart Out. So this is really cute, a really nice theme card. And this is a little interesting because normally on the back of the card, I would have all the product details, but it looks like that's not what's happening here. What does this say? So it looks like there's some type of announcement that BoxyCharm is making here. It says epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you about it. Follow us on Instagram and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. So not quite sure what that's about. I do miss having my details though, however, because I need that. All right, that's okay. We'll make it work. I am going to get the details, so let me go get my phone and I'll be right back. All right, I am following BoxyCharm on Instagram, and I did check BoxyCharm on Instagram, and I don't see anything as of yet that has been announced in terms of the biggest beauty news of the year. But I take it that there's going to be something coming. But I'm just going to pull the first item out of this box. This looks like a really good box. All right, the first item that I have here is from Eloise Beauty, and this is their Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. This is what this looks like. Oh, and this has the new packaging for their lip products. Look at that. Is that not swanky, fancy, swanky? I actually ordered the clear version of this, and this packaging is so cute. And this is in the shade Manifest. And the Pout Perfect lipstick comes in 12 shades. This one is in the shade Manifest. And the Eloise Beauty website states, with the Pout Perfect liquid lipstick, you can achieve that major pout clout you've been waiting for. With its pigment-packed and nearly weightless formula, your lips will stay looking beautiful all day long with no cake or cracks in sight. Plus, the velvet matte air-whipped formula glides on easily and instantly locks in color. So this is really nice, and the retail cost is $17.99. This is really pretty. I think I want to try some of this on right now. And let's see, how do we get in here? This top just screws off like this. This is what the actual applicator looks like. It's kind of a smaller applicator. Okay. I had on a darker lipstick earlier and just put a little lip gloss on top, so leaving that in place, that's almost acting as a good liner for this lipstick. This is a really pretty nude color. I like this. I like this a lot. So again, this is the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. This is from Eloise Beauty. It's in the shade Manifest, and the retail cost is $17.99. This next item is from Beauty Bakery, and this is the Butter Hydra Silk Primer. Very interesting packaging for a primer. Look at that. That is very different. Wow, this is extremely different. Look at this. This looks like a balm almost, or I don't know, this is really interesting. It's got this twist up product applicator and it feels almost like a balm. Very interesting. On the Beauty Bakery website, it states Beauty Bakery's The Butter Hydra Silk Primer is a lightweight hydrating primer that provides skin with a smooth canvas that extends the wear of makeup. It says it applies just like warm, creamy butter and leaves your skin feeling like silk. This alone calls for a toast. Some of the benefits of using this primer is a natural finish formula infused with goji berry extract. The stick primer makes for easy and quick application. It minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. It's a lightweight, breathable formula, and it's suitable for all skin types. And it says that it has an easy lock cap to ensure no mess. So this is, again, quite interesting. I'm gonna try this here. So a little bit here, and just applying it, you can see that it appears to have a white type of cast to it. I'm gonna rub this in. It looks like it goes into the skin, right? So when you're rubbing it into the skin, it does appear clear. Very interesting, very nice. And the retail cost for the Butter Hydra Silk Primer from Beauty Bakery is $24. This next item is from Natasha Denona, and this is the Jubilee palette. There are 5 pans in this palette, and this looks to be really nice. Looks like we've got a couple of matte shades. Looks like we have a couple of metallic or shimmer shades here, and then we've got a black. On the BoxyCharm website, it says that this is a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm, featuring 5 colorful, ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality of pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations, from playful, colorful modern looks to everyday wear with a pop of color. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. So yeah, this looks really, really nice. You know what? I'm gonna play in this just a little bit. I already have some eyeshadow on right now. I wanted to mention to you guys, this eyeshadow look that I have right now is so simple, and I used a palette that came in my BoxyCharm box not too long ago, but I have found myself reaching for this palette quite a bit, and that is from Wonder Beauty, and this is the Wondrous palette. It's called Escape. This is a gorgeous palette. I know I'm digressing here, but this palette right here, you guys, which came in my BoxyCharm box, like I said, this one is a keeper. That's what I'm using on my eyes right now. But I want to play with this Jubilee palette just a little bit. I'm going to use this fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the darkest shade in here. I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the outer V here. I just want to give myself a little bit more dimension right in here. Just a little bit. Whoa. This is extremely pigmented. Does not take very much, that's for sure. This would be really nice also if I wanted to use a shadow as my eyeliner. I like doing that from time to time, but very easy to apply, right? Typical Natasha Denona formula. I think this color story is mainly what is unique to BoxyCharm. It's the same Natasha Denona formula, just color story is BoxyCharm exclusive, but very, very nice. This is one of the tricks that you can do when you're trying to transition your eyeshadow look from day to night, is just to take a little darker shade, pop it on the outer V or the outer corner of the eye, and just kind of sweep it inward, right? Still leaving some of that lighter shade on the lid, and you instantly go from day to night. But yeah, this is what the Jubilee palette looks like, and the retail cost for the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette is $48. This next item is from Eloise Beauty, and this is the Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow palette. Very nice. This is what this palette looks like. And on the Eloise Beauty website, it says delve into the Secret Garden Blush and Glow palette to find a gorgeous range of highly pigmented 3D blushers that will add an entrancing, beautiful, glowy warmth to any look. It's 100% cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. So this is really, really pretty. I like that this one kind of has like a mixture of colors in there. If you can see that, it's more like an orange and a pink type of shade. This is really nice, really nice. I think I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna take my angled blush brush, and I think I wanna dip into this rosy shade right here. So I'm gonna just dip into that just a little bit. And I'm gonna add a little bit to my cheek area here, taking it up towards my temple. That's pretty. It's definitely giving off some pigment. Very pretty. Very pretty. All right. Not too bad. And the retail cost for the Eloise 3D Blush and Glow palette is $55. This next item is from Ciate London, and this is not the first time that I've gotten something from Ciate London in my BoxyCharm box. I like Ciate London as a brand. They have some good products. I enjoy using them. This is their Royal Edition palette. There are 24 eyeshadow pans in this palette, and this is what this palette looks like. And on the Ciate London website, it states, create the ultimate royal looks with Ciate London's Royal Edition eyeshadow palette. Mix and match the silky pigmented mattes with the super shimmery metallics to create countless eye looks. And the retail cost is $48. So yeah, this looks like a really nice palette. I'm not going to swatch it because this is going to go into a giveaway that I've got coming up really soon. But yeah, how many palettes have I gotten so far? I think I've gotten quite a few. So let's see, I've gotten the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. I now have the Ciate London Royal Edition palette. And I also got the Secret Garden blusher palette. So yeah, not too bad, right? A premium box. I've gotten 2 eyeshadow palettes and a blush palette. Not too bad at all. So yeah, this is turning out to be a really good box. This next item is from Refreshments, and it is the Velvety Body Cream. This is an unscented version of this. It looks like this comes in various fragrances, but this one that came in my premium box from BoxyCharm, it is unscented. And on the back of this package, it says, dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow. It also states nourishes and restores, quick absorbing non-greasy 24-hour hydration, and it's kind to skin. It also says our sparkling clean promise is always vegan and free of parabens, platelets, and sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. It's always good to have a body cream. This does have a safety seal on it, so I won't be able to tell you what this formula feels like. But again, this is a relatively large package as well. This is 8 fluid ounces of product that you're getting in here, and the retail cost is $15. So as usual, I have totaled up the cost of all of the items that came in my premium box for the month of February, and the total cost is $207.99. This was a really, really good box, you guys. So again, let's just do a quick recap on what I got in this box. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, okay? One from Natasha Denona, one from Ciate London. I also got a blush palette. This is from Secret Garden, very nice palette. I also got my liquid lipstick from Eloise Beauty. This is really, really nice. Very, very cute packaging here. And then the body cream. Oh, and I forgot one item here. I also got the primer from Beauty Bakery. This is the Butter Hydra Silk Primer. Right, got that too. So I got 6 items in my premium box for the month of February from BoxyCharm. I pay substantially less than $207 for my monthly subscription to BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a good way to try out products from brands that you have heard of, and also for some brands that maybe you have not heard of. So I am going to leave a link below if you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm. Be sure to use that link to do so, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.